my personality. No. Actually, no, and I say that in a funny way, relationships. I feel that the people in San Antonio, the other cleaning services, don't have that deep relationship that I have with my customers. A good example, a couple of days ago, we had a young lady, she's about 80 years old, and we went to clean her house. One that had already confirmed on a Friday. So we went on the Monday morning and she did not answer the door. We were very concerned. I went to the apartment and knocked on the door 3 or 4 times and she didn't answer the door. I was concerned. I told my wife to call 911 to do a wellness check on the elderly. And within 5 minutes, the cops came over and checked on the young on my customer. We met the daughter-in-law. She was there, and she was so grateful that we took the time to call the cops to check on her mom. That's what I call relationship. It is the difference between me and my competition. It is that deep relationship that we make that we could tell them, I'm going to cancel your service today because it's raining. And they said, don't worry about it, we'll do it next week, no big deal. And not only me, I'm talking to my other franchisee friends, and they feel the same way. It's that unique relationship. It's not a one-time sale. It is that ongoing relationship and having the personality and the saying, we're going to be here for you regardless. So that's what made me different than anybody else. That deep relationship that we establish with our customers.